Hello everyone, my name is Wasim. Welcome to my YouTube channel Advanced English with Wasim. In today's video, we will talk about how to introduce yourself. And as you know very well, a good introduction attracts any person or interviewer. In this video, we will cover our intro in 6 easy steps, which will be very easy for you. So stay tuned till the last of the video. And if you have not subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe to our channel so that you can get the notification of upcoming videos on time. So without wasting time, let's start. The person who is taking our interview, first of all we will greet him like good morning, good afternoon, good evening. And you know what? If the time is before 12 p.m., you will say good morning. If the time is after 12 p.m. to 5 p.m., you will say good afternoon. And if the time is after 5 p.m., you will say good evening. One more thing that you should keep in your mind, never say hi and hello to the interviewer. I repeat, never say hi and hello to the interviewer because this is not the right way. Now let's talk about step number 2. You will tell your name to the interviewer. Like my name is, whatever your name is, I take my name here, for example, like my name is Wasim, or this is Wasim, or else I am Wasim. You can use any of these 3 ways. All are correct. But remember one thing, you can't use myself. Never use myself word like myself is Wasim, myself is Rohan, myself is Rohit. These are not the correct way to tell your name. Remember this. You can say like my name is Rohan, this is Rohit, I am Rohit, my name is Rohit, but you can't use myself word. I hope it is clear to you. Now let's talk about step number 3. After telling your name, you will have to tell to the interviewer where you live. Where you live. So then we will tell the interviewer about the place where we live. Where we live. I take an example of Kota. As I live in Kota, I'm telling you, I live in Kota. So I'm taking the example of Kota. If I live in Kota, then how will I say to the interviewer? I say I belong to Kota, or I am from Kota, or I belong to Kota itself. These are correct way to tell where you live. Alright, as you can see here, there are 3 ways. I belong to dash itself, I am from, then city name where you live. I hope it is clear to you. And why I used here belong? Because I'm giving the interview in the same state. So when you are giving the interview in the same state, you can use itself word. For example, I'm telling you, I belong to Kota itself. This will be said when you are giving your introduction in the same state. Suppose if you are living in Jaipur and you are giving the interview in Jaipur, you can say that I belong to Jaipur itself. I hope it is cleared. Now step number 4. After this, now you will tell your qualification. Your qualifications, like if you have done graduation, then you will say I am graduate or I am postgraduate. And if you have completed any degree or have done PhD, then you will say like I am MTech or I am PhD in. After saying in, you will add the subject in which you have done PhD. It is I hope it's very easy for you. And if you are still doing graduation, you will say I'm pursuing graduation. And you know what is the meaning of pursuing? Pursuing means you are still taking classes or studying. It means you are still taking classes or studying. So I hope it is clear to you. If you are taking classes for the particular degree, then you can say that I'm pursuing graduation. I hope you got it well. Now let's talk about step number 5. Then you will tell about your family. Then you will tell about your family. You can add here family background. So first of all, let's talk about family. Like you can say that in my family, apart from my parents, I have an elder brother and a younger sister. Here you can add siblings according to you. For example, if I have two sisters and two brothers, so I can say that apart from my parents, I have two sisters, two brothers. These way are correct. And if you want to add your family background, so you can add here, like my father is a businessman and my mother is a homemaker. So you can add this. Now let's talk about step number 6, what it says. After telling your family background, your family, lastly, you will tell about your hobbies. And in what way you will tell about your hobbies? I will tell you. You can say that my hobbies are. My hobbies are listening to music and reading books. Here you can add your hobbies according to which you are interested in. You know what I mean? Like playing game, watching movies, traveling, reading novel, books, newspaper, etc. Whatever you want to add. It totally depends on you. It totally depends on your hobbies which you are interested in. So friends, this was the shortest and easiest way to introduce yourself. See you again in the next video with a new topic. Till then, take care.